Hello students, myself Ruksar Fatima. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start first chapter of chemistry, matter and its composition. What is matter? Anything which occupies a space, has mass and can be felt by the senses is called matter. Everything around us is made of matter. Many of things are used by us in our everyday life, like we eat food, drink water, use table, chair, clothes, bed, etc. Also, human beings, animals, plants, rocks and minerals, alcohols and gaseous substances are all examples of matter. Book, pen, water, milk, etc. can all be classified as matter because they all occupy the space and has mass. Characteristics of matter. The various characteristics of matter are: it has mass, it occupies volume, it can be perceived or felt by physical senses. Heat, sound, magnetism, love, hate, shadow, etc. are not regarded as matter because neither they have mass nor they occupy any space. The three physical states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. The liquid and gaseous states are fluid states. Each state can be recognized by its special characteristics. The physical states of matter can be interchanged by heating or cooling. Let us understand with the help of an activity that how these three physical states of matter can be interchanged by heating or cooling. Here you can see on heating, water change into steam, that is liquid state convert into gaseous state. On cooling, water change into ice, that is liquid state convert into solid state. So this activity shows that how three physical states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas, interchanged by heating or cooling. Kinetic theory of matter. The existence of matter in three different states can be explained on the basis of kinetic theory of matter. The main postulates of kinetic theory of matter are: first, all matter is made up of a large number of extremely small particles called molecules, sometimes atoms or ions. Second, these particles are always in the state of random motion in all possible directions. Due to their motion and mass, the molecules possess kinetic energy. Heavier particles move slower than lighter ones. The force which bound the molecules together is known as molecular force. Molecular forces are of two types, cohesive and adhesive. Cohesive forces are forces of attraction between molecules of same substances. Adhesive forces are forces of attraction between molecules of different substances. For example, the attractive force between the water molecules is cohesive force, whereas the attractive force between the water molecule with other substance is adhesive force. The kinetic energy of molecules increases with the increase in temperature, which result in the movement of molecules. Further increase in temperature increase the distance between the molecules, due to which attractive forces between the molecules decreases. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt related to the topic, you may write in comment section box or go through Google Classroom.